Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle an interesting problem that can arise when working with overloaded functions in C++. The issue at hand revolves around the priority of template specializations, specifically when dealing with upcasting function arguments to a base class. This can lead to unexpected behavior where the compiler chooses the wrong function overload. Let's dive into the details of this problem. The solution to this problem involves adding an extra overload to the existing functions and constraining the template to ensure that the correct function is called. By introducing a function that simulates an empty pack and using a type trait to check if the argument is not a base class of a certain type, we can guide the compiler to select the appropriate function overload. This approach allows us to maintain the variadic function while ensuring that the non-variadic function is called when necessary. It's a clever workaround that elegantly addresses the issue at hand. In summary, by constraining the template and adding an extra overload to our functions, we can effectively manage the priority of template specializations and ensure that the correct function is called based on the type of arguments passed. This solution offers a neat way to handle the complexities of overloaded functions in C++. It can help avoid errors in your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, in the world of programming, there's always a solution to every problem. Happy coding!